Hello everyone and welcome back, or if you're new here, welcome. I have another video for you guys, and this one is going to be hair mistakes that women make. I have about 5 or 6 hair mistakes that I want to show you guys that women often make. Some of you may not know you're making these mistakes, so if you're interested in knowing what these mistakes are, then stay tuned. My first mistake is putting product at the root of the hair. Now I know this may seem pretty self-explanatory, but I feel like a lot of us still make the mistake of spraying items directly in our hair. If your hair can get really oily depending on what type of product it is, and you might have a really hard time washing it off. So at any cost, just try to avoid applying any type of hair product to the root of the hair. Alright, my second mistake is if you want to avoid looking older, don't part your hair in the middle. Now I am super guilty of that. I love a middle hair part. I feel like majority of my videos I have my part in the middle, but a big part of the reason why parting your hair in the middle will make you look older is because the skin of your scalp is more exposed head on, and even though your hair might not be thinning, exposing the skin of your scalp may look like it is. In turn, sometimes that makes people look a little bit older than they really are. Alright, my next hair mistake has to do with flat hair. Now a lot of people complain that they want a lot of volume, their hair lacks volume, they want to know how to get it. I feel like a common mistake women make with flat hair is using a flat iron from the root to tip. Now for me, since I got my new haircut, it's a lot shorter. I really enjoy wearing it straight, and I feel like using a flat iron is a really great way to really get my hair to stay straight. However, in order to avoid that lack of volume problem, I blow dry my hair first, and so the ends is really the only place where I would flat iron my hair. So I'm going to show you guys how I get that. Now I'm using my Remington flat iron. This one is really great for color care. It also has this button that you can push that protects it from the heat, gives it less damage. You guys have seen me use this in a lot of my hair videos lately. So what I'm going to do is I'm literally just going to straighten the ends with this flat iron. A lot of the hair trends lately have been really textured piecey looks, and that's kind of the look I wanted to have. So already you can see the difference. The bottoms or the ends of the hair just lay straight down instead of having that curve at the end like this side does, but then it still has a lot of volume up top as well. So if you too want to avoid just having super flat straight hair, try blow drying the roots and then flat ironing the ends. Alright, the next common mistake that most women make, I was super guilty pretty much all my life of making this mistake, but it's applying conditioner to the root of your hair. Now again, this has to do with volume, it has to do with your hair being weighed down. When you apply too much conditioner and you apply it at the root of your hair, after you shower, your hair can still feel weighed down by that conditioner. Conditioner is heavy. So what you should do is just apply conditioner to the ends of your hair, or at least just halfway down. Now when it comes to shampoo, that's where it's meant to be applied, mostly and mainly to the roots of your hair also, and less to the ends of your hair. Our last hair mistake, and probably the most important of this whole video, is not using heat protectant. Now I used to never use heat protectant, and I used to never take it seriously. I would always hear a lot of hairdressers say you need to be using heat protectant, and I just kind of brush it off. But using heat protectant is basically like the sunscreen for your hair. Now we all know as women, sunscreen is super important to apply to your skin every single day to avoid wrinkles and all that bad stuff that we don't want. So heat protectant basically acts as the same thing. It's the barrier that's going to protect your hair from all the bad stuff, from heat to sun damage, split ends to over drying your hair, and all that bad stuff again that we don't want. So go out, find yourself a simple heat protectant, spray it on your hair every time you're about to apply some heat on it. You'll be good to go. I really like the heat protectant from Bumble and Bumble products. This one is one of my favorite ones that I always talk about. This is the BB Hairdressers Invisible Oil Heat UV Protective Primer, and they also have the BB Thickening Go Big treatment if you want volume as well as heat protectant. Alright you guys, that is it for this simple and quick video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it useful. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, let me know of other hair mistakes that you know about that I missed. Also, if you're new here and you enjoyed this video and you're not subscribed yet, please hit that red subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell as well, and also follow me on Instagram. I am Naomi Boyer on Instagram because I give you daily outfit inspirations that you wouldn't see here on YouTube. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.